We're on that.
Whoa! Shit. I'm borrowing your yellow glasses. Whoa. Woo. Are you sure? Ugh. Like, I don't.
Man, this thing looks awesome. Isn't that gnarly? There you go.
It's still getting in my eyeballs.
Yeah, it's a bit dusty.
We're right on it, man. It's right there.
Right on it. You want to get back up the road and get a little out of the dust? No,
I think we're fine. I think we're fine right here.
I'm going to back my car up real quick.
Do you see it wrapping up on the end
Yeah.
of it? Right.
I'm just going to back it up a little bit here.
Yeah.
I am going to be eating sand.
I think your butt's on the radio, but it's alright.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. I'm just going to sit on the fucking road. Oh, is that a car over there?
Yeah. Fucking dust.
Looks like a freaking war zone in front of us.
I know. But you're positive we're far enough
Yes,
away from it.
we're... Oh man, that is a bit of dust.
Oh.
Hello, people at Y3R. Fuck, messed it up. Oh yeah, yeah, we're good. It's gonna go north of us. We're totally fine.
Ah, damn.
the car.
Time to go. That's it. Let's go. Look at this. Look at that.
That's a freaking tornado. Wow. But it's going that way,
Hey,
right?
it's going that way, but we just got to watch down here because it's going to cycle back around. This is getting sucked back in.
Holy cow. It's going up.
That's phenomenal.
It's shrinking.
Oh, when I took a picture, you showed it even better.
Wait, no, that's a tornado, actually.
It's got freaking. You can hear it.
Where are they at? Are they by Elmer or Tipton? Okay, yeah.
Oh, there's the rain.
Yeah, we're southeast of it, man. I think we're good.
I think we need to go that way.
We need to go a little
Like
farther
now.
south. If what? Yeah. Shit, I bet my wipers weren't going that whole fucking time.
Well, it just started raining.
I know, so what are we doing?
I don't know. And like,
Yeah. Let me get on the radio here.
right here. It's
Oh,
over
the
there.
tumbleweed going.
Hold on.
Where are we
Here,
going?
hold on to this.
We need to
Ask
go
him.
a little bit south.
Are we going south?
My guess is it'll cycle back around.
East?
Alright, we're gonna head east for right
Okay.
now.
Oh, sorry, we tried to.
No, you're fine. Is he going east on that road?
Yep.
Fucking balls.
Holy shit.
Yeehaw time.
Is my stream going at all? Because I'm pretty baller if it is.
Yep. 1 second.
Alright, hold on everybody. Wow, tumbleweeds everywhere.
That was amazing.
That was phenomenal.
Do what? Yeah, we're
That
just
was
south of Route
amazing.
5. We're on a little country road that's like...
Did you just say something?
No, because east of us there's nothing going on. It would be west of us if anything. But yeah, I mean, I'm on the lookout, man. I'm on the lookout. It's really hard to say right now. We're kind of southwest of Tipton on kind of a country road. No, it's like Farmer fucking Bob's road.
Yep. I'm glad that family got out of there.
Was it?
I mean, we can
down
almost
there?
see the highway
Their
from
house
right
is
here.
down there. They just
Like,
We're
wow,
actually
just in
we're
time,
gonna head to
didn't
the
they?
highway. Hold on a sec.
Very loud waterfall sound coming from
What did he say? I can't hear him.
Very what?
Loud waterfall sound.
Oh shit. Ask him again.
Okay, we just accidentally turned the volume off. Say it again. We're not gonna like run into the damn thing, are we?
No. Jimmy, you still with me? I know know. I'm looking at it right now. Can you find me on APRS? No, you're gonna want to look on APRS.net. Yeah. Okay.
Sounds good.
No, it should be. I'm just saying it'll probably be a little bit easier. Shit in a rut. There we go, out of the rut. Oh, hail.
Oh, more hail.
Easy.
Yep, I'm out of the rut now. I hope none of my family's. I'm with Top City Twisters, so Brian Krell and his gang, and then I've got 2 folks in my car. So, hey, there's the.
Where is it?
That's not the Dominator, but
The 2?
That's the tip.
no, it's a smaller one. Oh no, that is the Tiv. Hey, that's 2 weekends in a row I've found the Tiv. All right, we're heading east on 5, Jimmy. East on 5. Towards Tipton. We're fine. Keep an eye out the back for me.
Another
Yes.
car back there still on the road, so I'd say we're okay.
That's good. Yeah, keep an eye on the cars behind us. Seriously, I want to keep
I
an
see
eye
it.
on
It's right behind us. Right behind us up here.
What?
There's fucking Sean Casey. hanging out.
Just keep going. Tell them to keep driving.
Tell them keep driving. Tell them keep driving.
Justin said keep
Yes.
driving.
Very, very
Yes.
close. Keep driving.
Yes, I
It's
am
really
listening.
close. Keep driving.
Big stovepipe.
Okay, there's a cell to the south that has intensified. Tell Brian.
Yeah.
There's also a cell to the south that's intensified.
We need to keep going.
Shit.
Gotcha. Yeah, I see it. I'm aware of it. I'm watching it right now. Huh. It was channel 4, but like channel 4 down here just turned around. They're like, nope.
Probably Mark Dillard.
They're like, oh, that's the Tiv up there. Probably don't want to be that close, actually. No, definitely
We're a
not.
little bit ahead of it now, but we're still going to get
Well, look at this one. That's the one that's kind of concerning, the one that's down here to the south. Tell them to look at the one that's down near Thalia, Texas. I think that's what it is.
Justin says to look at the cell that's now down near Thalia, Texas.
There's the ambulance.
Keep going.
Power flashes behind us.
Oh no, those aren't ambulances. Oh, I saw them before.
Literally just a couple hundred yards up.
I can't tell who's talking what.
Sorry,
So
turn this radio off.
are you fucking shitting me?
What's going on?
I'll try and see it.
They just issued a tornado watch for Kansas City area.
Are you serious? My husband's at the hospital with my daughter.
I should probably turn that off.
I don't know where this little town of Tipton is, but
This is right in front of us.
okay, they might get this. Lots of things of rain back here.
Roll the window down a little
It
bit.
was about 200 yards.
Are you shitting me?
It was a stovepipe.
Dude, you should get out by Kansas City, man. It's kind of crazy today.
The storm off to the south
It's going like,
is going to start
This guy's
hooking.
I know, but we're far enough north of it right now that
Yeah. We're in kind of a weird spot here. News channel.
It's going to
4.
I think it's going to come right back up through the same area.
probably.
I believe it's in the breaker right off the side of the road.
Yeah, we're here.
Yeah, we're here.
This is fucking retarded, man.
Yep.
I think the first stable south.
It's on Severe Studios. It may not be working. I don't know. You should be able to find me on their live section. It's like severestudios.com.
You want me to say, do you want to head south instead of east?
Okay.
At some point when we get a good road, head south out there.
Yeah, we may
Yeah,
want
at
to
some point when we find a good road, we should probably head south. There's another cell to the south of us too, so.
Well, I don't.
I think it's going to miss this town.
Is that tornado siren?
Yes.
There's tornado sirens going off here in Tipton. It looks like it's going to miss the city. Oh, town.
Can't really talk right now, Steve.
Yeah.
Fucking serious.
I'm in Tipton. It's right next to us, guys.
You shitting me?
It's right in those rain curtains. It's only a couple hundred yards off the road that way. Yeah, I gotta go.
Yeah,
see.
it's only a couple hundred yards off to our left.
All right,
Like, let's go
Are you
south.
still with me, Jim? Oh, Jimmy had to go.
I gotta go.
Go.
Man, it should be continuing that way, so we should be okay as long as we keep going.
Yeah, it's just kind of.